Hey, what's up, guys? So I am recording a cover of the song I'll Never Not Love You by Michael Bublé. Really pretty song, and I couldn't find any good tutorials. Lots of tutorials, all of them very bad, that I watched on how to play this song on both guitar and ukulele. So I'm recording the song on ukulele, so I'm going to teach you on that. If you play guitar and you know your chords pretty well, then you could totally just play these same chords. So yeah, I'll explain the chords and where they're at and all that sort of thing. And here we go. So it starts off, and the verse chord progression is like this. It's going to go like this. It's B, the chord B, 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 to G minor 7th, G minor 7th, and then it goes C sharp minor 7th, to F sharp to E. Again, B, 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 G minor 7th, to C sharp minor 7th, to F sharp to E. And then it goes to, so again, those chords in progression are B major, G sharp minor 7th, C sharp minor 7th, E major and F sharp major. Those are them. Okay. Now I play this a little bit differently. When I do it, I play the C sharp minor 7th like this instead of like this. I play it like this, but it's still a C sharp minor 7th. It's just voiced a little bit differently. So if you can see that and you want to do the stretch, then you can go for that, okay? And another thing I do is I go like this. I go F sharp minor to E. I play this. So I go from the E to E with a third in the bass because I've got this low G, and so it just sounds cool. So I go F sharp to E, E. So E with a third in the bass, B. Okay, but you don't really need to do that. It's not necessary. I just think that sounds cool, so that's the way I do it. All right, then it goes to the pre-chorus, which is the I know this. So that's just a regular G sharp minor. Yeah, G sharp minor to F sharp. Yeah, and I'm gonna set those chords backwards. So this is E, and then this is F sharp. In case I got that mixed up in the verse, okay? I think you got it though. Okay, G sharp minor to F sharp major, to G sharp minor, to G sharp minor, to E major, to E major, to F sharp major. Okay, one more time, all the way through the pre-chorus. G sharp minor to F sharp, to G sharp minor, to G sharp minor, to E major, to E major, to F sharp, and then goes into the chorus. And the chorus goes back to the same progression for most of it, changes at the end. I'll never B major, to G sharp minor 7th, to F sharp major, to C sharp minor 7th. Or you can do C sharp minor or C sharp minor 7th, either way. Sharp minor to E to G. So again, one more time, the first half of the chorus. I'll never B major, to G sharp minor 7th, to C sharp minor 7th, whatever you want, to E to F sharp major. Okay, then it goes back to the same progression for the first part, and it goes, I'll treat you, B major. I'll stand by G sharp minor 7th, no matter. So that's G sharp minor 7th. And then it goes like this. I'll never I'll never not love you. Okay, so that's gonna be, so for that I do this, I'll never not love you. So it's gonna go, I play C sharp minor 7th but I play this on the top. So it goes. So that's right there is going to be, you bar here at the 4th fret all the way, and then you just take your pinky and you reach it over here to the 8th fret. And you hit that twice. I'll never. So whatever that is, it's basically like a suspended, this is like a suspended chord or whatever. So, but that's what, yeah, just do that. It sounds good. So that's bar at the 4th fret, but then bring your pinky over here and play the 8th fret. And you hit that twice. I'll never. And then you play either a F sharp or F sharp dominant 7th. I play a F sharp dominant 7th. I just think it sounds better, but you could also just do a F sharp major chord, regular F sharp major. But I play F sharp dominant 7th. Yeah, it just makes it a little bit more jazzy. So I'll F sharp dominant 7th, love you, B major. Okay, so that is the whole song except for what I think is the coolest part of the song. The coolest part in the song to me is in the last chorus. The second half of the last chorus is different. Okay, so on the I'll Treat You Right, instead of starting on the B major and then going to the G sharp minor 7th, and then that progression that it does, instead it starts on the G sharp minor 7th. I'll treat you, G sharp minor 7th. I'll stand by you. Really kind of tricky chord, but boy does it sound cool. And no, whatever happens. Okay, so let me show you what that. So that's I'll treat you, G sharp minor 7th. I'll stand by, and then it goes to this chord. I don't really know what this chord is, but these are the notes. Okay. Was that 6th fret on the 1st string, 4th fret on the 2nd string, and then 2nd fret on the 1st and 2nd string. So, okay, and now here's the hardest chord. Okay, then you keep the first 2 notes right here, these the same, and you move your index finger down 1 fret. Okay. 1 fret. So now it's sort of barring. It doesn't need to really bar, but it's playing the 1st fret on the 2nd string. So these 2 notes, keeping the same, and then 1st fret on the 2nd string, and then with your middle finger you play the 2nd fret on the 1st string. So these are all the notes. Got it? You're like, nope, we do not, but it sounds awesome. Okay, so that's it. So it goes like this. 2. One more time. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. So it goes like this. 2. No matter. Then it goes back to the C sharp minor 7th. Whatever happens, and it goes back to the same thing I taught you. I'll never not love you. Okay, so one more time, all the way through the second half of the last chorus, because this is the cool little part. Goes to the G sharp minor 7th. I'll treat you right. I'll stand by you. No matter whatever happens, I'll never not love you. Okay, one more time. I'll treat you right. I'll stand by you. And no matter whatever happens, probably better just do regular C sharp minor there. I'll never not love you. All right, that's it. That's how to play it. So, yeah, hope this helps you guys out. Please leave a comment and let me know if it did. I mean, the other tutorials were like, they just taught how to play like just the verse progression only. It was kind of completely useless. So what are they doing? I don't know. But this is all the parts, and it sounds great. And I would love for you to check out my cover of this song, which is probably up by the time you're watching this. If not, it'll be up like any day because I'm just about done recording it. All right, I'll talk to you later.